Hey guys, welcome back to another workout. Today we're gonna be hitting booty. I've got 3 exercises picked out from a TikToker that I follow on TikTok, and I'm obsessed with his workout routine, so I'm gonna share this with you. I'm gonna put the video up here if it's not copyright infringement, and we're gonna follow this routine. There's 3 exercises. You're gonna need a pair of ankle weights, a resistance band, and some type of bench. If you don't have this type of stuff, get it in the description box down below. I'll leave links to all the equipment down there for next time. Also, don't forget to click that subscribe button, smash that like button, and let's get into the workout. All right, starting off with donkey kickbacks. You guys know the drill. Go ahead and get up on your bench. Put the resistance band under one of your knees. With the other leg, you're gonna be pulling it up. You got your ankle weights on your ankles. These are 10 pounds each. You guys can use whatever's comfortable for you. Also, if you don't have a bench, you can do these on the ground. So just so you know, it's versatile, this workout right here. You're gonna take your leg and you're gonna kick back up as much as you can. Really push that leg up and kick that thing back. This is all glutes. You're gonna feel the burn. We're gonna do 15 on each side. Go ahead and swap legs when you're done and then give yourself a 10-second rest.
We spent our days on the coast of something beautiful. We got pulled into the tide of something real. But somehow I lost you on the way. I assumed you left me behind. Lifeless days and sleepless nights, so tired of it. I can't get you off my mind, can't forget it. Now I know what I've got to do is find my way back to you.
What is wrong? What is my problem? How can I get out of this world that I created? Fighting the storms in my head. Don't know where I have been. I'm alone, no one to turn to. No one understands, shit's too complicated. Away, and I feel like I am someone else. Away, and I feel like I don't know myself, no. Away, and I feel like I don't know my name. And I don't want to live this way. I don't want to keep on wasting a life. I'm drowning in my head, I'm losing the mind. And if you could know, yeah, if I could show you, I don't wanna keep on living this life so faceless.
Moving into reverse leg lifts. For this exercise, bring the resistance band up above your knees. You want a good tight resistance band here. Don't use something loose. Use something that's going to challenge you. Hang off the bench. Hips should be completely off the bench. You're holding on with your upper body. You've got the ankle weights on, and you're lifting your butt and your lower body up into the air to create a flat surface with your entire body. I'm gonna do 3 sets of 10. The video on TikTok says 3 sets of 15. Literally, it's killing me. So I'm doing 3 sets of 10. If you need more, go ahead, do your 3 sets of 15.
I'm so tired of being faceless.
I don't wanna keep on wasting life. I'm drowning in my head, I'm losing the mind.
Make sure that you're really kicking your legs up and squeezing those glutes. This is all booty again, you guys. So let's get it. 3 sets.
I've got a premonition, I'm dreaming you and I. All my darkest fears are coming outside. We got a billion races, we got this melody. And you can trust me, baby, we got everything. Call me whenever you feel alone, babe. And when you need to cry, I'll be by your side. Call me whenever you need someone, babe. And when you need to escape from 1,000 fires, I'm gonna kiss you wherever you are. And I'm gonna miss you, I will never lie. Call me whenever you need someone, babe. We're running in the jungle.
And for our last exercise, we're gonna be doing a single leg hip thrust. Now for this exercise, go ahead and put the resistance band above your knees as well. You want to hang your upper body off the bench. Try not to rock. In the last set, I do rock a little bit just because my my ass is on fire. Like, it's on flame, you guys. You don't even know. But I did 2 sets of 10 and 1 set of 8. I just couldn't. My hamstring was burning. I hit legs the other day as well. I do work out off camera, you guys, so sometimes I'm a little bit sore. It's my own fault. How can I make these excuses? But anyways, really push yourselves. And if you need more resistance, add a weight to this. We do have the ankle weights on, so if you need more resistance, you've got the ankle weight, and you can also add a dumbbell. Keep it right there on your thigh, and when you thrust up, you're also going to be thrusting up that dumbbell.
And I'm gonna miss you.
We've got 3 sets here, so go ahead and push yourself, and then we are good to go today.
Jungle of love. Jungle of love. We're running in the jungle of love.
I remember the days, always at the same place, the same people every day. I will never forget this black old Corvette standing in front of my way. We were both in high school. I thought I was a fool. Oh, when I was falling for you, you keep drawing. Yeah, I need you. You taste like candy. Eat you on a Sunday. Feels so bittersweet knowing I can leave. You taste like candy. Eat you on a Sunday. I can feel the beat on my heart and beats. 'Cause you taste like candy.
thoughts on this workout routine. Damn, okay, first of all, it's effective. My glutes are literally just the booty is on fire, except for this last workout with the single leg hip thrusts. This exercise, I didn't feel any activation in my butt. Maybe I was doing it wrong. I know at the last set, I was a little bit rocking, so my form was bad, but I felt most of it in my hamstrings. And I know when you wanna look, or when you wanna get a round booty, you build up the hamstring and it kind of gives your butt an illusion, right? You have a pop in the hamstrings and you have a pop at the booty, and they're connected, right? So you're gonna get a little bit of a lift, but the other two were only booty activation, which I really like because, I don't know, hamstrings are great and you wanna develop everything, but also at the same time, I'm like, I just want to activate those glutes. So first two exercises were killers. Third exercise was the hardest because of the resistance band and the weights and the way you're kind of thrusting upward. I only did 2 sets of 10 and the last set was 8. So yeah, that was a really good workout. So all in all, I have to give it to this guy on TikTok. He worked my ass off, literally, and it was a great exercise. I'll leave the link to the TikTok down below so you guys can check out his TikTok profile and look for more glute activation exercises, because that's literally all this guy does, is he posts TikToks of the girls that he's training and their booty gains. So if you're looking to gain a booty and you're looking for more exercises that are just booty focused, check his TikTok out. I don't even know the guy, this is not sponsored or anything. I just found him and I was like, damn, okay. So those are my thoughts. Those are the exercises. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to click that subscribe button, smash that like button, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.